What is that?
Ah, shit. Here you go again.
LOL.
When I popped off, then you go gave me just a.
It was at this moment Jackson knew he fucked up.
LOL.
Emotional, damn it!
Yeah, boy. You need to blow up.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter. Got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave it.
Nice.
Huh? LOL. Nope. Nope.
Nice.
Why are you running?
LOL.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I beat him every day.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Stop!
LOL. Nope. Nope.
I'm sexy and I know it.
1 hour later.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
8:01 p.m. Tomorrow for sure.
Once more! Once more! Once more!
The venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain. It's a blessed break.
I believe I can fly.
Huh? Nope.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun.
Once more! Once more! Once more!
Baby, so cold, from the mouth, from the I kill you. No! Baby, so cold, from the mouth, from the car. Bang was so low, I got nothing else that I can't control.
I like this.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Monster inside of me, you better watch out if you ignite me. A road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me and he gets claws real.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Stop!